Hi, you guys. We're doing another backtesting video. First things first, we got no news today, so markets, I don't know how volatile it's going to be. So let's jump into it. So right now we're at, which Texas? Did they change this? I don't know. Looks, shit looks weird, bro. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right. So it's 8:15. Let's do. All right, there we go. First things first, we're gonna go to the 4 hour, and we can see we're currently in an uptrend. We could still this. We could see this BPR was filled right here. We could also see this demand zone was respected, and now we're coming back. Let's see us take out the slow right here, liquidity, and we could check equilibrium levels as well. Go from those lows to this high, and we can see price did tap into EQ, and it also tapped into EQ again. So as of right now, I'm bullish. Um, on ES, let's check out NQ. Okay, so NQ is a little different because we could see we're trading in this humongous imbalance. Um, yeah, I'm not really fond of NQ right now. ES is looking better as of right now. I don't like being in this imbalance, considering it hasn't broken out of it yet. So I think I don't. I mean, I guess we could scale out to 1 hour and see what we see. Okay, so it looks like the imbalance is filled. I'm not gonna lie, it looks like it was filled. Price came down, filled this new imbalance, entered this demand zone. Price coming out again. Hopefully, to take out this low. Hopefully, price is gonna take out this low. But on ES, I want to see price come into this demand zone and possibly take out this low. Is what I'm really looking for. Um, and as we said on ES, price did tap into the equilibrium level. If we go to the 4 hour, draw equilibrium from these lows to this high. We see price. Oh shit. We see price tapped into the equilibrium level. And then here also, I would use a bigger equilibrium level for this. I would go from this low all up to this high. And we do see price tapped in, so I need more on NQ, to be honest with you. I'm not. I know I traded Friday, but that was because price already filled this, came back down into this demand zone. Right here, we don't have much other than taking out this liquidity. But let's just go off of ES for now. So we did the 4 hour, we did the hourly. And we go to the 15-minute, and we look to see what we see. We can see price got this low right here. This could be something. I really do want price to come take this low out though, but it is trading in this demand zone as well. So I am bullish on it. So we could wait for market open and see what happens. And then NQ. This is the imbalance, so I'll just remove this. Okay, NQ. Like I said, I'm not. Where is price likely to target? Let's look at that. On ES, I'm thinking this demand zone right here, or these highs. And NQ, I'm thinking this demand zone, this imbalance, or this demand zone. Probably come up, take these, and then move lower. However, it is in an a pretty big imbalance right now. So, like I said, I'm not really fond of NQ. So I'm gonna focus on ES. ES is also an imbalance, but we'll just wait till market opens and see what happens. So this should be 5 minutes before market opens, I believe. Yeah, okay. 5 minutes before market open on both. We see ES and AQ. Both disregard this fair value gap and enter into this demand zone. So what I'm hoping for is that we get rejection to the downside, either fill this new order block, because we don't really have much else. Go to the 15-minute, we don't really have much else. I guess we have this imbalance right here, right? We have this imbalance. And I guess we sort of have one on NQ also. But yeah, really what I'm looking for is a rejection down and then give us a confirmation. So we could go here. You can see price is probably going to take these highs. Okay, we can see it. We took this high on NQ. Maybe this is a 15-minute high. I'm not too sure. Yeah, okay, this is a 15-minute high. We can see price take that. Now what I'm looking for here, we have a very big imbalance. I want price to come down, fill this, and then move higher. And on ES, we can do it with this one. That's pretty much what I'm looking for. So yeah, it's about to be 10 o'clock. Once it's 10, scale on to 1 minute. Where we see, okay, we can see this imbalance fill right here. Actually, yeah, okay. We see this imbalance fill come up, balance fill. Now I want price to come down, take this low, take these lows. Either one. Same sort of thing on NQ we're seeing. You can see it also it enters into this order block. So if we were on the 1 minute, I probably, I'm not gonna lie, I probably would have looked for an entry somewhere in this area off of this candle close right here. And we're set stops. I probably would have set stops actually below here. And then go on the 15-minute to look for a take profit. ES, sort of same thing. See this imbalance fill. We'll see what happens. Okay, we can see it coming down to fill this imbalance on the 15-minute. NQ not so much. And what do we see? Bam, comes down. Fills all this 15-minute imbalance. Now I'm looking for a buy. And actually we saw it on NQ too. So, which is why I wouldn't have entered a position there. Yes, I know I put it there. I was just saying you probably, if you're on the 1 minute, that's probably where I would have entered, but I'm trying to stick to the higher time frames. Because I've noticed that the 1 minute, market trades on the 1 minute, it's less accurate, so I'm not sure why this looks like this, but we can see it comes and fills this. So now I'm looking for a buy on both. NQ and ES. I'm not sure why this is so weird, but these prices are not matching up. But anyways, so we see this. See it come down. And now we're looking for a buy, right? So I wanted to see. If it could take out this liquidity, that would be great. Okay, I'm assuming there was some sort of higher low somewhere there. Okay, so yeah, we took out all these lows, took out this low, took out this low, took out all these lows, and we also filled this demand zone. So now will be prime time for a buy. We can look at NQ also. Yeah, we're in this balance price range and this demand zone right here. Took out these lows. So now we're looking for a buy. And honestly, based off this, if this fair value gap gets rejected, I would enter a position. So I want to see candle break above this. Same sort of thing on ES. Yeah, okay. So it doesn't look like the price is going in the direction we want. So once it's 12, if we don't see anything, I would not have taken a trade today. Let's check out what's happening. Okay, so it looks like we didn't quite take out these lows. However, we are in an extreme discount right now. We are in an extreme discount, so that's something to keep in mind. On ES, maybe we took out these lows. Wow, okay. So we really moved on ES. I'm not sure why, since there was some news today. Um, yeah, if I'm being honest with you guys, I don't think I would have taken a trade. I generally just, yeah, I'm not. I don't like this price action, and I don't think I would have taken a trade. Only thing I could maybe take one off of is this. These lows being taken out and then into a discount, and then this imbalance being filled into a long position. Into a long position here. With stops below these lows, and then price target like these highs, this imbalance, and then this demand zone. We can see what happens. I'm not saying I would have taken this trade. I probably wouldn't have because I didn't really like anything I was seeing. ES, honestly, I'm not really. I didn't. I mean, I guess we could have taken one off this imbalance fill as well. After all these lows have been taken out, and we're in a discount level. Could have entered long here. I would not have done that though. I would not have done that because I didn't like what I was seeing. Honestly, I probably would have got off the charts after 11:30. These are price targets here. In here. All right. So these are the only trades that I see. And we can see what happens. You know, this price is just going to trend for in a range for like I don't even know how long, probably a while. Yeah. So obviously we see price came down, took out these lows, fills demand zone, and then moved higher. But honestly, if I don't see something before like 11, then I just probably wouldn't trade because this is a little late for me. And usually most of my trades are taken before 11, so I would not have traded any of this. But yeah, that's the back testing video. I wouldn't have taken any trades. Better to take trades than risk money I'm not confident about. I'm not confident I wouldn't take a trade, but yeah, I wouldn't have traded either ES or NQ because I just didn't like the price action. Yeah, I'll make another video tomorrow. Thanks for watching.